So this is another lesson on linking words together smoothly. Another one? Yep, because you're worth it. Did you notice the linking? Well, anyway, stick with it because this time we're linking consonants to vowels and it's literally going to blow your mind because it's so easy. When consonants are linked to vowels to achieve a smoother, more fluent sound, just think of the words joined together like this. Throw it away. Read a book. Or imagine that the last letter of a word is the first letter of the next word, like this. A big animal. Simple. But before we go any further, I must tell you this is a lesson with a difference. Why? Because we're going to kill two birds with one stone. Forgive the idiom. In other words, we're going to be learning two things at the same time. I'll give you some well-known phrases for giving advice that you can learn while linking words together. Yeah. Here we go. Practice repeating these sentences. Remember, consonants are linked to a following vowel. My arm aches. What do you think I should do? If I were you, I'd put it in a sling, take an aspirin and rest up. I've had an argument with my boyfriend. I'm so upset. I don't know what I should do. Perhaps you should give him a call and apologise if you can before it's too late. I've got a new job in London. What shall I do now? You really should move into a flat there. It's a lot less expensive than commuting from home. Or you could buy yourself an electric car instead. It's more environmentally friendly. On second thoughts, maybe not. You'd probably crash into something. You're a terrible driver. I've missed an awful lot of lectures this term. You'd better get off your backside and catch up then. It's no good moaning about it. What, all of them? Yes, or you should at least arrange a meeting with your tutors. Well, I hope you have some fun practicing that. Don't forget, if you want to check you're getting it right, just record yourself with your smartphone if you have one. Until next time, love and peace.